In today's training, we will be covering creating your own body scan meditation, setting your intentions, and journaling your gratitudes, positive affirmations, and any thoughts that you have or questions. So take this time now to get some paper and a pen. And now that you have almost finished week 3 of body scans, you are now in a position that you can create your own body scan meditation for yourself. So I'll just run through a few reminders with you first. You may choose to either sit down or lie down. It's completely up to you. And then in your own time, you may close your eyes if you wish. Now, when you're doing your body scan, just bring your attention to different parts of your body. It's quite useful to start at the bottom of your body, at your toes, moving up to your feet, your knee, your leg, and your hips. And while you're talking, either out loud or inside your head with your thinking voice, do remember to pause and take time for some breaths. Take some deep breaths in and some deep breaths out. And then continue with your meditation. Your back, your chest, your shoulder, neck, face, head, arms, hand, fingers, heart. So pause the video now and then take this time to say your own meditation to yourself or body scan. And then when you're ready, you may return to the video. So by now you will have said your own meditation, and we'll just conclude your meditation by setting your intentions for today, moving on to the rest of the evening and into tomorrow. So what are those highest priorities? What are the highest actions that you wish to take today and over the next few days that will make the biggest and best impact in your life? Once you've done that, let's do some journaling. Write down 3 things you're grateful for and the reasons why. Write down 3 positive affirmations that inspire you and uplift you. And then last of all, do a brain dump. Empty out everything that's in your mind, any questions you have. This now concludes day 20. And do come back tomorrow for day 21, where you will be doing some more practice for your body scan meditation, affirmations, journaling. That now brings us to a close. Thank you so much for taking the time out of your busy day, and I look forward to seeing you tomorrow for day 21.